Investing can feel like a complicated puzzle, especially in your 20s, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. There's a simple rule, the 100 age rule. Subtract your age from 100. The result is the percentage of your portfolio for higher risk investments, like stocks. For a 25-year-old, that's 75% in stocks. The remaining 25% goes to lower risk investments like bonds. This rule guides you towards a balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Starting early means time is your greatest ally. Compounding is like a snowball rolling downhill, growing larger over time. The 100 age rule encourages a higher allocation to stocks in your 20s. Even if the market dips, you have time to recover. Investing is about consistent contributions and letting compounding work its magic. Your 20s are a time of change and possibility. The 100 age rule suggests allocating a significant portion to stocks. Compounding grows your investments exponentially over time. Even small, consistent contributions can grow into a significant nest egg. Starting young maximizes your potential returns. It's natural to feel apprehensive about investing. The 100 age rule acknowledges that younger investors can ride out market fluctuations. Avoiding investing is riskier due to inflation eroding savings. Investing in the stock market helps grow your wealth over time. The 100 age rule provides a framework to navigate risk and reward. The 100 age rule is about balancing risk and reward. Stocks offer higher returns but come with volatility. Bonds provide stability and steady income. Diversification spreads risk across different asset classes. This rule helps create a well-balanced portfolio aligned with your goals. Let's talk about how to apply the 100 age rule. Subtract your age from 100 to find your stock allocation. Adjust based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Find a balance that allows you to sleep soundly at night. Investing should empower you to build a brighter financial future. You've determined your ideal asset allocation. Build a diversified portfolio with a mix of asset classes. Stocks are your growth engine. Diversify by sector and geography. Bonds provide stability and income. Diversification minimizes losses and ensures your portfolio can weather market storms. Building a diversified portfolio can seem overwhelming. Individual stocks offer high returns but higher risk. Mutual funds and ETFs provide instant diversification. Index funds and ETFs are great for young investors. Understand fees as they can eat into your returns over time. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. Adjust your asset allocation to align with your target. Rebalancing maintains a disciplined investment approach. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay the course and make necessary adjustments along the way. Investing in your 20s is like planting a tree. The earlier you start, the stronger its roots and the more fruit it bears. The 100 age rule helps harness the power of compounding. Consistent contributions and a diversified portfolio grow your wealth. Smart investing leads to financial freedom and security. The 100 age rule isn't a magic formula. Emotional investing is a major challenge. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Avoid impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Diversification cushions your portfolio from volatility. Adjust your asset allocation based on your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is your ability to handle market fluctuations. It changes over time based on life circumstances. Regularly review and reassess your risk tolerance. Invest in a way that allows you to sleep soundly at night. Section 4. The long game, patience, and discipline in investing. In the age of instant gratification, it can be tempting to seek quick wins. However, successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Ride out market fluctuations and stay focused on your financial goals. Think of it like planting a tree. You wouldn't dig it up every few months to see if the roots are growing. Nurture your investments over time, allowing them to grow and compound. Automate your savings and investment contributions. This ensures consistent investing, regardless of market conditions. Embrace the long game for financial success. Meet Sarah. At 25, she's already thinking about her financial future. She landed her dream job at a tech startup right out of college. While her friends are splurging on vacations and designer clothes, Sarah's focused on building a solid financial foundation. She remembers her grandmother's advice: the sooner you start investing, the sooner your money starts working for you. Inspired, Sarah decides to put the 100-age rule into practice. Following the rule, Sarah aims to allocate 75% of her investment portfolio to stocks and the remaining 25% to bonds. She understands that stocks, while volatile, offer the potential for higher returns over the long term. Bonds, on the other hand, provide stability and balance to her portfolio. Sarah starts small, investing $500 each month into a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500. She knows that consistency is key, and she sets up automatic contributions from her checking account to her investment account. Even though she's just starting out, Sarah feels a sense of empowerment. She's no longer just earning a paycheck. She's actively building her wealth and taking control of her financial future. David, also 25, is more cautious than Sarah. While he understands the importance of investing, the stock market's volatility makes him nervous. He doesn't want to experience a market crash. David takes a conservative approach. Instead of 75% in stocks, he opts for 60% stocks and 40% bonds. This balance allows him to participate in growth while maintaining stability. He chooses a balanced mutual fund for diversification. David's story highlights the importance of aligning your investment strategy with your risk tolerance. Emily, a 26-year-old freelance graphic designer, understands the importance of diversification. Her income fluctuates from month to month, and she wants to make sure her investment portfolio is resilient to market swings. Following the 100-age rule, Emily allocates 70% of her portfolio to stocks and 30% to bonds. However, she takes diversification a step further by investing in a variety of asset classes and geographies. In addition to U.S. stocks and bonds, Emily allocates a portion of her portfolio to international stocks, emerging market bonds, and real estate investment trusts, or REITs. She believes that by diversifying across different asset classes and geographies, she can reduce her overall portfolio risk and potentially enhance her returns. Emily also understands the importance of rebalancing her portfolio periodically. As different asset classes perform differently over time, her initial asset allocation might drift. To maintain her target allocation, she reviews her portfolio annually and rebalances as needed. Emily's story showcases the power of diversification in managing risk and building a robust investment portfolio. By spreading her investments across different asset classes, she's creating a portfolio that can weather market storms and grow steadily over time. Learning from mistakes, Michael's journey. Michael, a 27-year-old aspiring entrepreneur, is eager to start investing and grow his wealth. He's heard stories of people making a killing in the stock market, and he's determined to do the same. Without much research or planning, Michael decides to invest a significant portion of his savings in a single stock, a trendy electric vehicle company that everyone seems to be talking about. He's convinced this is his ticket to quick riches. Unfortunately, things don't go as planned. The stock price is highly volatile, and after an initial surge, it starts to decline rapidly. Michael panics and sells his shares at a significant loss, wiping out a large chunk of his savings. Discouraged but not defeated, Michael realizes the importance of doing his homework before making investment decisions. He educates himself about different investment strategies, including the 100-age rule, and understands the importance of diversification and risk management. Michael's story serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of emotional investing and the importance of having a well-defined investment strategy. While it's natural to get caught up in market hype, it's crucial to make rational decisions based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and a thorough understanding of the investments you're considering. Beyond the 100-age rule, a holistic view. The 100-age rule is a fantastic starting point for young investors. It provides a simple framework for understanding asset allocation and building a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. However, it's crucial to remember that investing is just one piece of the larger financial puzzle. Think of your financial well-being like a beautifully constructed building. The 100-age rule helps you lay a strong foundation for investments, but a truly resilient structure needs more than just a solid base. You need walls, a roof, and all the essential components that make a house a home. That's where a holistic financial plan comes into play. It considers all aspects of your financial life, such as budgeting, saving, debt management, insurance, and estate planning, and integrates them into a cohesive strategy. By taking a holistic approach to your finances, you're not just investing for the future. You're building a secure and fulfilling life, free from financial stress and uncertainty. It's about creating a financial roadmap that guides you towards your goals and empowers you to live life on your own terms. Building your financial pyramid, a layered approach. Visualize your financial well-being as a pyramid. Each layer represents a different aspect of your financial life. At the base lies budgeting and debt management. Creating a budget helps track income, save, and allocate funds. Tackling high-interest debts should be a top priority. Next, build a safety net with an emergency fund and insurance. Then, focus on saving and investing. Finally, plan for estate and long-term goals. Seeking expert guidance. Navigating the financial maze. Navigating personal finance can feel overwhelming with conflicting information. Seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor can be invaluable. A financial advisor is like a personal trainer for your money. They help create personalized plans and navigate complex products. A good advisor empowers you to achieve your financial dreams. Section 1. Your future, your terms. Investing in your 20s isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and designing a future where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool to achieve your dreams. The 100-age rule, while a simple guideline, is a powerful concept that demystifies investing for young adults. It reminds us that time is our greatest asset, and by starting early, even with small contributions, we can harness the magic of compounding to build significant wealth over time. Think of it this way. Every dollar you invest today is like planting a seed that has the potential to grow into a mighty financial tree, providing shade and sustenance for years to come. It's about making choices today that will allow you to live life on your own terms tomorrow. Remember Sarah, who diligently invested in a low-cost index fund? Or David, who prioritized stability and chose a balanced mutual fund? And Emily, who embraced diversification to build a resilient portfolio? These are just a few examples of how young adults are using the 100-age rule as a springboard to financial success. Section 2. Start today, enjoy tomorrow. The beauty of the 100-age rule is its flexibility. It's not a rigid formula, but a starting point that you can adjust based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and life stage. Remember, personal finance is personal. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find an approach that aligns with your values and empowers you to make informed decisions. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back from taking that first step. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from qualified professionals when needed. Remember, the most significant risk is not investing at all. By taking action today, you're not just securing your financial future. You're investing in your dreams, your aspirations, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. So go ahead, embrace the 100-age rule and start building the financial future you deserve.